Good evening. My name is Anker, and today I'm going to present the Newman systems theory as it applies to my CSP project. The Newman systems theory's basic concept is that each individual is continuously interacting with their internal and external environment along a continuum of health and wellness. The basic concepts of the Newman theory consist of the person, environment, health, and nursing. The person consists of 5 variables: physiological, psychological, social, cultural, developmental, and spiritual. These forces are continuously interacting with each other via inputs and outputs, altering a person's stability and ability to respond to stress and anxiety. Health, wellness, and illness exist along a continuum. Nursing roles to promote optimum wellness by assisting the person to respond appropriately to challenges brought on by the stressors and anxiety. According to this model, a person has a basic core that consists of its usual state, which is surrounded by a normal line of defense. This line is further protected by a flexible line of defense. Once a stressor penetrates the flexible line of defense and causes a symptom, the lines of resistance is activated. At this time, the person is vacillating along a continuum of wellness and illness. Using the Newman systems theory as a framework to guide my CSP, I will be utilizing aromatherapy on the management of anxiety. According to the Newman concept, anxiety levels are affected by a person's internal and external environment. The person's anxiety level is dependent on his and her ability to respond to stress. Sense of health is based on anxiety levels, exists on a continuum of wellness and illness. Normal lines of defense allows the initial response to anxiety. This includes normal coping strategies. As the stress increases, the level increases and the level of anxiety increases. It penetrates the flexible lines of defense. This is where the individual will start exhibiting symptoms of anxiety, leading to the need for assistance into management of anxiety. As the anxiety increases, the lines of resistance is penetrated and the individual can start to struggle with healthy management of anxiety due to ineffective treatment strategies that may lead to physiological and psychological symptoms and the inability to cope with anxiety. As the DNP utilizing the Newman systems theory, I will conduct my CSP based on previous studies that support the use of aromatherapy on the management of anxiety. I plan to analyze my outcomes and recommend guidelines or protocols on the use of aromatherapy on the management of anxiety levels. Thank you for listening. These are my references. Have a great evening.